You say you got a girl. Yeah, you want
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I am, why do I do that? Today I'm doing a two-tone look. Okay, so I'm going to be doing orange and yellow, and I wanted to do like pink and green, but everyone does pink and green, so we're gonna be a little bit different. And I also feel like orange and yellow would be a little bit more wearable, even though what is wearable when it comes to Tori. So. But anyways, I'm going to be doing that look. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe to my face. And well, my eyes are already primed. And I did something a little bit different today. I used the ColourPop concealer, and I honestly think I hate that concealer. Don't hate. It's just like super like what's the word? Creasy. Like really creasy. But anyways, I'm using the Brazil palette per usual. What else would I use? I'm a little bit nervous that I might like put the wrong color on the wrong eye or something. But we're just gonna go with it. So, these will work. I don't want to use my nice brushes. So I guess we'll start with the yellow. So I'm gonna do yellow on this side and orange on this side. So I'm taking this light yellow and I'm gonna put that in my crease as like a transition, even though you don't, I guess, really need one. But we're just gonna do it anyways and be extra. So I'm just gonna put that in my crease. Now we're gonna use the two darker yellows, so this one and that one. And I'm just gonna kind of blend those like everywhere, I guess, just because this is like a super duper simple look. Like, I think that my little brother could accomplish this, and he doesn't know the first thing about makeup, so I'm just kind of gonna like throw this everywhere, and I will go in and like clean it up because it's gonna look a little bit crazy and pigment's going everywhere. But yeah, you're just kind of gonna dab it like everywhere and blend a little bit, stuff like that, until the pigment is to your desired amount. And I'm gonna finish this eye and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I hate that concealer like really a lot. Like, you can see there's splotches on my eye and I'm not happy about it. But now we're gonna go with the orange, and this orange right here is like the transition, and probably like also the all over the lid. I might go in with my Anastasia or my Violet Voss palette for a good orange, just because there's only like one-ish. I mean, kind of like the other one's an orange, but the other one's like a deep orange, but whatever. So we're just gonna bring that on the crease, kind of all over the lid. Whoa, this has no pigment. So yeah, I'm probably gonna go in with one of those other palettes and just gonna blend, honey. Just gonna like blend and everything. And I'll be back. So I'm gonna attempt to do liquid liner. I am very scared. I don't do this, and if it looks bad, I'm just gonna completely redo my eyes. So I'm using the Essence Super Fine Eyeliner, and it's in black. So wish me luck. I'll be back when I don't. So like a lot has happened. So honeys, I did a wing. It's not the greatest. It's really tiny too. But I did it, and it looks better in person than on camera. But I used the Essence liner. I lined my waterline with Urban Decay liner. I put on mascara and curled my lashes. And I put on falsies. The best falsies ever. I need to like buy a shit ton of these because they're honey. Broadway Dreamy. These are literally $1. Go get you some. There's some at Dollar General, and they're so good. Okay, so for foundation, I'm gonna be using my current favorite, and I'm gonna mix it with this because this is like my current favorite mixture. Like, this is just my favorite foundation right now. I love it so much. I use it to mix with other foundations because I'm a pale and pasty little girl, and I have stuff in my hair. Of course I do. But like, it just works amazing. Oh my god, I look psycho. Okay, So I'm just gonna put like 2 pumps, not even 2 pumps, I had too much foundation last time, like a pump and a half of the Too Faced Born This Way, and then like, whoa, okay, like 4 drops of the L'Oreal one, and I'm just gonna mix this together and use my Morphe M439 brush and Beauty Blender to apply it, and then I'll be okie dokie. So now I'm gonna use concealer, obviously, and I'm just using Tarte Shape Tape today. Whoa, girl, changing it up, but yeah, no, whatever. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my face, a little bit more on my forehead, and right there. Okay, kind of a lot, but it's fine. I like crazy, but you know what's new? And seriously, guys, this is like the best foundation combo ever because I don't like the Too Faced by itself way too much, or the L'Oreal on it by itself way too much, just because the L'Oreal one doesn't have like enough coverage, but the Too Faced one, like, it doesn't set super well. So like mixing them together makes like this beautiful, like dewy, beautiful mixture that I'm obsessed with. So yep, that's the current situation. Like, I don't know, it just likes to move a lot. So yep, I'm gonna blend this, and then I'm gonna use my Fit Me powder and my Stay Matte powder, and then I'll be back. Okay, bye. Guys, so let it bronze it because I don't know why, it's just really good, and it smells like everything that I want my life to smell like. So bronzing up my face, and I've started like using like powders and stuff more. Not that I used creams before, if that makes sense, but like I've been baking a lot more and everything, and I really think that it's making my skin, like not my skin but my foundation and stuff, look better, and like I really like it. And I used to use the Airspun loose powder, as you guys would have seen in my past videos, and I think the Fit Me powder is so much better, and I think it might only be like $1 or $2 more, if that. And I don't know, it just doesn't make you look like all cakey, and you look really good. Lighting, it got really bright. It started filming, it was dark, and the sun's like, hello everybody, I'm here, welcome to the show. Don't ask, I'm weird. You literally can like see a big patch. Okay, I'm gonna go blend this and then put on my Flower Child blush, just because you guys are probably tired of me using it, but I don't really care. And then we'll be back to finish. Oh my god, that bird is huge. Okay, I'm getting freaked out. Alright, bye guys. Okay, now I'm gonna do my lower lash line. So I'm gonna put yellow on this eye and orange on this eye. So I'm just gonna go on with the leftover on the brush and blend it down there. And don't mind my weird faces. I know I make weird faces, guys. But, you know, whatever. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm gonna use the Endo palette from ColourPop, and I'm gonna mix this color and this color. Yeah, it's just, you know, what I'm gonna do. And I sprayed my face with rose water just because after like using all those powders, my face feels really dry. So I sprayed it. I'm really afraid to use highlighters because I hate having like a streak on my face. So like anytime I'm like a little bit like, oh, I don't know, I mix it with like a super light highlight, and I kind of have a streak, but what the frick ever, I don't even care at this point. But yeah, I'm just gonna put on my highlighter and my inner corner highlight. And then lips. And we will be finished. And I'm filming another video after this. I'm kind of I don't even know what I'm gonna put in the video because y'all wanted a current favorites video, and I don't even know what some of my current favorites are. So we're gonna have to figure that ish out. And yep. Okay. I'll be back when I. All right, guys. So this is the final look. It seriously, it looks better in person, and I don't know why it looks so crappy on camera. I got that glow, and I got that gloss, and I have a wing. Honey, I'm so, like, I never do wings. I don't know how, and I don't know. I'm so happy. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this two-toned look. I kind of look crazy, and I might be going out after this, after I film my other video, but whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I'm searching for these words to you. Oh, please give me time, 'cause I'm searching for these words to say. Sí, sí, sí.